welcome back to MK's Kitchen. So as y'all know, the Super Bowl is coming up this Sunday and everybody is excited, mainly just to see Rihanna perform because that's really what most of us are here for. But for those of us that have to throw the party, and we're going to throw the Super Bowl parties at our house and get everybody to come, you need some ideas to cook. So something that we're going to cook today that's super easy, that's perfect for our Super Bowl parties. We doing taco soup. So it's going to be super quick, super simple with our crock pot. We're going to set it and forget it, okay? And we're going to get ready for them games. We're going to have our jerseys on and we're going to get ready to scream for Rihanna and all the extra stuff. So y'all, let's get into today's recipe. Let's go. All right, y'all. So it looks like we have a lot of ingredients out here today, but it's not that bad. We're going to have our beef. We have all kinds of different seasonings. We have our ranch and taco seasoning packets. We have some onion, some beef broth, a big old cups of waters. We got Rotel. You can do the original, mild, spicy, whatever your spice level is. We're going to try to put some enchilada sauce in there for the first time. So we're going to see how that tastes. We're going to do some diced tomatoes, green beans, corn, black beans, kidney beans. You could also do chili beans, pinto beans, whatever kind of beans you want. We also have some Mexican style blended cheese. And of course, our favorite thing to use, our crock pot. We have that set on high. We also have our little can opener because it looks like we got a lot of cans out here today. And our cutting board to cut our onion. And we're going to go ahead and turn on our skillet so we can get our beef browned. And let's go ahead and do that. And let's get started, y'all. So while our skillet is getting warm, we're going to go ahead and place our vegetables into the crock pot. There goes our green beans. And make sure you drain off the water and juice off your beans and vegetables. But if you want to, you could also keep just a little bit of juice, or you can keep all the juice. Honey, it don't matter. It's up to you. This is your recipe. We got black beans. We got our kidney beans. Come on, kidney beans. Can. All right, we got our diced tomatoes. We have our can of Rotel. We're gonna pour in our enchilada sauce. Ooh. And then we're going to add in our beef broth. All right. And if you don't have a bigger beef broth, or you just want a different flavor, you could also use chicken broth, or you could just use plain water. We're gonna pour just a little bit of that in there to make sure it gets covered a little bit more. We add our beef, and I know I'm not a big fan of chopped onions, so most of the time I just chop them like this and I just throw them in there. But if you like chopped pieces of onions, that's perfectly fine. We just know onion gives it a little flavor. We're also going to take half of our taco seasoning packet and pour a little bit of that in there. We're going to save the other half for our meat. And we're going to take half of our ranch seasoning, pour that in there, and save the other half for our meat. All right, our skillet is nice and warm. We're going to get our beef started. Alright, so let's go ahead and season our meat. We're going to take just a little bit of Himalayan pink salt. Put that on there. I'm going to take some black pepper. I'm going to take some onion powder. I'm going to take some cumin. I'm going to take some garlic powder. I'm going to take some paprika. Then we're going to take the rest of our taco seasoning. And we're going to take the rest of our ranch seasoning. Alright, let's give that good old tossing. Alright, y'all, so it's been a few minutes and our beef looks like it's nice and brown. So we just turned off our skillet and we're going to go ahead and place this in our crock pot. And if you got too much grease coming off your meat, you could perfectly pour that off. This is a leaner beef, so we don't have that much grease. But yeah, we'll scrape the rest of that off in a minute. But go ahead and stir all of your ingredients up together. All right, taco soup. You're looking vibrant. You're looking good. You're looking Super Bowl-ish, okay? All right, y'all. So we got this on high, and we will be back in about 3 hours to check on our taco soup. All right, y'all. It's been about 3 hours. And here's our taco soup. It smells good. All right, y'all, let that cool down. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe. It's another episode of MK's Kitchen. Bye.